Good afternoon, YouTube. Yes, Friday afternoon, Dave in Kentucky. Gonna get a shave. Have my Allen Long bone Beehive, the 26mm Reserve 2 knot soaking. We are using Ethos Lemoncello. Getting ready to go out and do some mowing, and it's warm out. Thought I'd do that. Now, I had a few videos ago, 2, 3, I don't know. I did the Colorlamb Forester series razor. It's kind of like a pocket knife thing. It's a heavy handle thing, but anyway, you get a good shave from it. And I mentioned in there that they had I thought it was like a 3-piece, but it's not a 3-piece. It's a 2-piece. And I thought, I don't feel like fooling with AliExpress, and I ended up looking on there and it was like $3 and change. So I thought, okay, we'll go ahead and get that. So it's like $3.50 some cents or whatever, free shipping. How could I pass that up? That's what it looks like inside. Pull this out. Comes with some of the blades down here. We're not going to use theirs. So it's basically the same kind of look to it. It's got the silver and the black inset. It has a little nut there that I think that you could... Is that press fit or something? Or if that... I don't know, but it's got the magnetic head on it. Take the magnet off. Almost looks like... with the right tool you could unscrew that and the head comes off, but why would you want to? Anyway, the head looks identical. We're going to grab a Filoso blade, which is the ones that come with the Oliworks razors. I've got a few of these left. I thought I'd just go ahead and use one of these. Oops, forgot. Let's snap it in half, because you only need half for this razor. So we'll set that on there. Get it in place. Pop that on, and we're good to go. Yep, everything looks good. All right, let me wet the face. And we'll get some lather going. Talked to Frank on the phone today of Ethos Grooming. Goodness, probably an hour or more. Telling me stuff he has in mind to do and whatnot. His mind's always working, coming up with something else. He's had a bunch of releases in a short period of time. Some I already had. There were a few that I just did not get. There is one coming out that I was really looking forward to. And that will be coming up, as well as another that's a limited release that'll be coming. Go ahead and close that up. One's coming up. There's a how is it? I want to say it's got eucalyptus, but it's a blackberry and some other things in it, which sounded interesting to me. So definitely want that one. The other is a tropical inspired type scent. Not, he said, not going to be overly coconut tanning lotion scent. I have quite a few other things in it, so look forward to that one. Mahuna, who knows? Something like that. I'll have to look it up when I get closer. Trying to get a bunch of his summer ones out before October comes around. He does his, I think, a final with a little bit of dragons, with a little bit of oud he has left to go do another dragon's beard. All right, let's heat this blade up a little bit. Nice feel to the handle, a little texture on the sides there. Yeah. Nice shave. I'm glad I got this. You know, I don't feel like fooling with the folding all the time. But feeling like I haven't used a Filoso blade in a while, but going good. So obviously this was several weeks ago when I ordered it. I think it took 2.5 weeks maybe to come in. I feel like I got myself over there, but I don't see any blood yet. Anyway, well worth $3 and some change. I don't see it as a copy as a lot of the Chinese stuff is. This one to me does not appear to be a copy of anything. And it is a decent shave, so maybe a good travel razor for me. If I forget it somewhere, no real loss, being just a few dollars. Told my wife I should have picked up a bunch of them. Gave some to some friends. Maybe I'll look and see if they still have it for the same price. And it's free shipping too. I mean, $3.50 cents to the house. It's like less than there's a little blood. I must have something behind there where I thought I got myself. That's less than a cartridge refill. Crazy. Yeah, just a touch of blood there. So hopefully you're having good shaves. What kind of razors and soap are you enjoying lately? This creamy limoncello. Great for right before I go out in the... Actually, the heat's really died down a little bit. I think we are in the 80s. Dry today. And rain moving in tomorrow for what looked like the foreseeable future. We'll see. Sometimes they show it for a week, week and a half out, and ends up being about half of that. I like the shape of this handle. Yeah, it gives a nice shave. Surprising. Get that rinsed out good. I'll take it apart and clean it anyway. And let me get a rinse. Little witch hazel. So yeah, 80 some degrees today, I think, for a high, which is nice. Sun's out. Rain moving in, time to get some mowing done. And the splash here. Where are we at? Just going on 12 minutes. So a quick shave in and out. Like I said, hopefully you're enjoying your shaves. Let me know again what you're using. What's your preferred soap right now? Everyone knows what mine is. Ethos and Barrister and Man, Omnibus. Those two, but I have some others I mix it up with occasionally. I try to do that for interest. I've used some different stuff for you all to see when you join me for a shave. And thank you. I'd like to thank everybody that's joined me for a shave. Just a quick one again today. I'm not going to keep you. Hope you have a great weekend coming up. Enjoy it, especially if it's dry in your area. Enjoy what's left of summer. It's going to pass by before we know it. We'll be rolling back into fall and winter. Anyway, Dave in Kentucky, be kind, be safe out there, and we'll see you on the forum.